as this is the interface of our software, and we're going to a new interface. So at first, if you see this bar, home, insert, anode, render, view, manage, output, but in this section, draw, we are seeing some lines. This is circle, this is arc length, this is multiple points, this is center ellipse, and this is called hatch. So at first, to draw the national flag, we need a rectangle. So we can take a rectangle. If we don't take any rectangle, then we have to take a line. So this is the line, and if we see that this line is not a straight line that lies on same level, same base, to do that we will press F8. If we press F8, the angle will be always 90 degree, 0 degree. So now if we are going to draw, then we cannot draw so if we see the first line, if we want to cancel this, then we have to press this one, then we have to select cancel. Then as this line is not rectangle at all, so we are going to delete this. To delete that, we have to select this line, then we have to press delete. Or if we want to do this thing with other option, then we must have to take or look at this section that is called modify. Here you will see erase. So erase can vanish the online properly. So we can use erase option, or we can use trim. Where is trim? If you look this term, then you will see trim option. But what is the basic difference between erase and trim? Okay, just a minute. If we take line again, suppose we drew this thing F8, so this random subline. So if we press erase, then look at this thing. If we press erase, the whole line, as this line is dividing those two lines, but if we press erase, the whole line will be erased. But if we press trim, then the whole line won't be erased. Such as this trim, we are just erasing particular length, particular portion of line. That's why we are using trims. So this is the basic things between trims and erase. If we want to use extend option, then what is the purpose of extend option? Suppose I am trimming this part also. At first we are taking some line. This is the line. So we have to cancel this one. Then we're going to again delete these terms to understand the uses of extend. So this line is not completed, so we are using extend option to complete it. Suppose this is as, if I select this term, this line will be extended. So this is the uses of this option. So in this video we discussed about the option of erase, then trim, then extend. Now we are going to use those options of move and copy. So as you know, if we copy something, then it can be pasted somewhere else. But normally we use Ctrl C to copy. But here we are not going to apply this. This is not going to work. So the first thing is we have to select some graphs or lines to copy those. So at first I am going to delete all the drawings. now I am taking a rectangle. So this is my rectangle and I am going to copy this. So to copy this, we have to go to the option of copy and we have to select this. Then we have to select this graph. So I am using Ctrl A to select this. Then we are going to copy, and now this is my copy of those rectangle. So if I want to move, then there will be only one graph and we are going to move that graph. So at first I'm going to delete two graphs. To delete two graphs, we are going to select two and then we are pressing delete. So I am going to move this rectangle. To move this rectangle, I have to select this one and go to the option of this term. So this is called move, and here I am selecting move and I am moving this to draw that flag. That is our national flag. So to draw the national flag, we need a rectangle, a circle and a linear line. So at first I'm going to take a rectangle. So I'm going to delete this and I am taking a new rectangle, that is big one, and now I am going to take a circle inside of this rectangle, and I can move this on. As we know that I have to select move option, then I can move this part. So now this is on kind of our national flag. So I am adding one more line to this. So if you see that our interface is very small, so I am going to zoom this on. So now I need more line to make a base. So my job is done. Now I'm going to color this. So to color this, I have to select, or I have to go to this option that is called hatch. So in this section, that the interface is shown here, and here is the solid option, and we have to keep this option as solid and use current, but we're not going to use current as the rectangle shape is red. So now I'm going to change the color, and this is our green on. So here is our final national flag. Thank you everyone, and if you have any kind of suggestion, then do comment here and share this video with your friends. And